In the 1980s, India had a chance to become a leader in the semiconductor industry. But a series of wrong decisions kept the nation behind. Today, India is 12 generations behind the world in the semiconductor race. Semiconductors, the tiny chips that power everything from your phone to your car to your defense systems, have become the backbone of the global economy. Yet, India produces none of its own. In 2022, car buyers in India faced long delays. Why? A semiconductor shortage. India, importing 100% of its semiconductor needs, was left exposed. India imported $15 billion worth of semiconductors in 2020, with 37% coming from China. By 2025, that figure will double to $32 billion with the rise of 5G. The global semiconductor market is a colossal 37.4 lakh crore rupees industry, dominated by Taiwan, South Korea, and China. India, though, is still on the sidelines. Chip manufacturing involves three main stages: design, fabrication, testing and assembly. India has strengths in design and testing, but not in fabrication, the most crucial and job-generating part of the process. Companies like Intel handle all three stages and are called integrated device manufacturers, or IDMs. Others, like ARM and NVIDIA, focus only on design, outsourcing the rest. So how did India fall behind? It all started in 1960. In 1960, Fairchild Semiconductor considered setting up a fabrication plant in India, but left due to bureaucratic hurdles. They chose Malaysia instead. In 1962, Bharat Electronics Limited, or BEL, tried to manufacture silicon and germanium transistors. But without matching global quality standards, BEL's FAB was eventually shut down. In 1987, a professor of IISc, A.R. Vasudeva Murthy, spearheaded a partnership between BEL and Metchem Silicon Limited. It could have sparked an electronics revolution, but without government support, it failed. India's most tragic missed opportunity came in 1984 with Semiconductor Complex Limited in Chandigarh. The facility, using cutting-edge 800 nanometers technology, was destroyed in a fire in 1989. And that was the end of India's early semiconductor ambitions. In 2005, a major multinational company that tried to set up an FAB in southern India faced roadblocks and heavy duties. They left for China instead. In 2006, the Manmohan Singh government reacted to the loss by announcing India's first semiconductor policy. But for 6 years, it remained just a policy. By 2010, foreign companies were invited to invest, but with no infrastructure or support, they did not stay. After 2014, the Modi government changed everything. Massive infrastructure was built. India became a major player in mobile phone manufacturing and achieved energy self-sufficiency. But Modi's government did not stop there. Recognizing the importance of semiconductors, they crafted a comprehensive program offering a 50% incentive for the design, manufacturing, and packaging of chips. In a major boost, Micron, a global semiconductor giant, announced a 22,516 crore rupees investment to set up an assembly, testing, marking, and packaging, or ATMP facility in India. This project will create 20,000 jobs and a thriving ecosystem. With Micron on board, India has the credibility to attract other major players. Foxconn is preparing to establish its own FAB, and Vedanta is in the race too. India's semiconductor dreams are taking shape. India is not just working on FABs, but is positioning itself as a trusted partner in the global supply chain. From Bengaluru in 2022 to New Delhi in 2024, India's semiconductor conferences have been catalysts for this transformation. Prime Minister Modi's recent visit to Singapore solidified an ambitious goal: to establish 10 FABs in the next decade. The Modi government's proactive policies have already attracted 91,526 crore rupees from Tata in Gujarat, 22,516 crore rupees from Micron, and 83,974 crore rupees from Tower and Adani in Maharashtra. India has missed many buses in the past. But today, with strong political will, infrastructure, and investments, India is not just catching the bus, it's running like a cheetah. India is finally ready. The groundwork is done, and the nation is on track to becoming a key player in the global semiconductor race. The race may have been long, but India is no longer behind. India is now leading the charge.